Welcome to Good Taste. For more info on our dishes and decor in each episode, check out the caption below. And don't forget to interact with us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Bon appetit! Welcome! I'm your host, Vera Jaye, and this is Good Taste, where style meets flavor. On this program, we take a combination of beautiful homes and architecture and match them up with delicious foods. Today, the Greek Isles inspired us with a new appetizer, roasted olives. Greece is one of the oldest cultures, but it doesn't mean your home has to look old to have a Greek style. Here you see a modern exterior and interior using typical elements of Greek design such as deep blues and stark whites. Domes are seen throughout the landscape, and there's a simplicity to color and texture use with strong straight line patterns to balance curves. Opa!